Right now, you're losing a race you never signed up for. Every time you open your phone, you line up against millions of other men, and you lose every single time. Not because you're behind, because the race is rigged. You know the feeling. You're having a decent day. You're making progress. Then you see it. Another man your age with the car, the body, the business. And in 10 seconds, everything you've built feels like nothing. Here's what nobody told you. Comparison is not a habit. It's ancient wiring. Your brain evolved in tribes of 150, where knowing your rank meant survival. Now that same brain is trying to rank you against 8 billion people. It was never built for that, and the game is rigged twice, because you're comparing your behind the scenes to his highlight reel. You know every one of your doubts, your failures, your 3 a.m. thoughts. All you see of him is his best 10 seconds. That's not a comparison. That's an ambush. You don't see the debt behind the car, the misery behind the smile, the decade of silent grinding behind the overnight success. The picture is real. The story you attach to it is fiction. And understand what this is costing you. Envy does nothing to him. He doesn't feel it. It poisons you, and only you. Every minute you spend measuring his life is a minute stolen from building yours. Worse, comparison murders your progress. You lost 10 pounds, but he lost 30, so suddenly it doesn't count. You made your first 1,000, but he made 1,000,000, so you feel like a failure. You're winning your own battles and calling it losing. You say you're behind. Behind what? Behind whose schedule? There is no schedule. There's no board in the sky that says where a man must be at 25, at 35, at 50. Some men peak early and fade. Some build slow and never stop. You're not behind, you're just not him, and you were never supposed to be. A lion doesn't lose sleep over another lion's kill. An oak doesn't stare at the tree beside it, wondering if it's growing fast enough. Everything strong in nature grows at its own pace, in its own soil, or it doesn't grow at all. So here's the only comparison that will ever serve you. You against the man you were yesterday. That man is your only rival. Beat him, even barely, even ugly, and you are winning, no matter what anyone else is doing. And measure backwards, not forwards. Stop staring at the gap between you and where you want to be. That gap never closes, it just moves. Turn around. Look at how far you've already come. The man from 3 years ago would be proud of what you call failure. Then starve the trigger. Your feed is not entertainment. It's a comparison machine, engineered to make you feel behind so you keep scrolling. Unfollow what makes you feel small. Not because you're weak, because you're done training your brain to lose. And when you do see a man who has what you want, change what it means. He's not proof that you're behind. He's proof that it's possible. Stop envying him and start studying him. Envy burns the map. Respect reads it. Racehorses wear blinders for one reason. The moment a horse looks sideways at the horse beside it, it breaks stride and loses. The fastest animal on the track still loses the second it starts watching someone else's race. Put your blinders on. Your life is too short to live it looking sideways. Nobody is coming to hand you a trophy for being better than the man next door. The only prize that was ever on the table is becoming everything you could have been. So the next time your phone shows you a stranger's highlight reel, close it and get back to writing your own story. Your chapter 1 will always look like failure next to someone else's chapter 20. Keep writing anyway. The race was never against them, and if this hit home, like this video and subscribe. Notifications on. Because the man running his own race still needs the right voices in his corner.